Now we just need a weekly close above that. I don't want to see a long upper shadow here or some rejection of the highs now, because that will be detrimental, because that will bring us back down to these areas here. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another trading day. And today, again, I'm going to look at cryptocurrencies. Still making high wave candles on the daily chart, showing the markets are still not sure where to go. However, this morning's push, this looks really promising. And we kick off with Bitcoin making a new all-time high. That's the one I thought that would happen. The rest is struggling still. The push looks good, but Bitcoin has now made an absolute new high. I think now we should see some clear-cut direction of this pattern playing out and pushing through. Now we just need a weekly close above that. I don't want to see a long upper shadow here or some rejection of the highs now, because that will be detrimental, because that would bring us back down to these areas here to retest at the $80,000 level. So I need this to really close, and it's Thursday today. We see the rest of the markets pushing very hard, very nicely. But it's going to be a crucial candle this. And I'm not saying, even if we get a long white candle, I'm not saying we will not see some retracements. But at least we won't see a fade in the market if this starts to close very bullish on a long white candle. So if you look at the daily charts, tremendous candle last night. Yesterday's candle still. You can see here, it's the daily candles battles. It's really small body, getting a little bit bigger, yes, pushy, but look at the shadowiness there. And then this morning it pushes. Now, it's like every morning it pushes and then it fades into the afternoon. So I need this to close like this on Sunday. That's very important. Solana, big candle coming in there on the weekly charts. But if you look at the daily charts, yet again, look at yesterday's candle, high wave candle. And now pushing, but we need to hold this. We need to hold this before we can do anything. Not 4 hours, dailies. We need to hold that candle now into the close tonight. That will be great. That will be a very big confirmation for us. The weekly candles need to close above this level. We need to close above this 170 levels, 175. Let's call it 175 levels on a weekly basis. That would then blow out this support level, and then the next stop could be the all-time, not say all-time high, but that recent high at 295. So that can happen. XRP is still battling a little bit, pushing. The weekly chart doesn't look good. Even the dailies, high wave candle, not great. Not even pushing that hard last night, so I'm a little bit disappointed there. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Inkasu. Do you struggle with customer queries that takes up all your time? Contact Inkasu to help transform your website customer focus with an integrated AI staff member. For more info, check out the link in the description. XLM pushing nicely. The weekly doesn't look that great, but if you look at the dailies here, pushing nicely last night, but look at yesterday, yet again, market rejecting the highs. So it's always worrisome when you start to see shadowy candles for the trend. Now we see shadowy candles on the bottoms here. Yeah, that was great for a bottom reversal, but this time it was on the tops. Why? Okay, this is blowing into pieces as long as it stays a long white candle tonight. Cardano, weekly chart start to look good. If we can close like this, I would be very happy. Moving to the dailies, yesterday's candle not bad, but still rejecting the highs. As long as we can close on a white candle tonight, I think we're in the clear. But if we're going to reject this again like all the other days, it's going to be terrible. There's no conviction yet. Bitcoin Cash, weekly chart starts to look good. Daily chart, very nice candle yesterday. Really a nice candle. A little bit of a shadow, which is 100% fine. So this one starts to reverse well. And I'm fine with this one so far. As long as this daily candle keeps going now. It must keep going. Chainlink, strong candle there this morning, but look at yesterday, long upper shadow. You see here we had long lower shadows, market rejecting the lows, but now they're starting to rejecting the highs, which doesn't look good. So I need this to go and close big. Polkadot bouncing off the levels there on the weekly charts. Daily charts yet again rejecting the highs last night, but pushing this morning. Same story. Litecoin, weekly charts iffish. Daily charts, again, small body, up rejecting those highs. We need a strong daily candle. Dogecoin look good on the weekly charts, no problem there. Dailies, yesterday candle again, but rejecting the highs this time, which is not good news. But pushing, this could blow all this to pieces. I would love to see this close above this level here. That would confirm a bottom reversal on Dogecoin. So I am hopefully watching this for tomorrow morning. Ethereum, nice move on the weekly charts. Daily charts, we had the strong candle here predicting everything. You can see what happens here. This one looks much better because we had the reversal here. However, yesterday still a high wave candle, rejecting the highs, which was cumbersome. It's still, but we need a nice close there up today. So I guess tomorrow morning we will know what happens with all this. If we get strong daily candles, doesn't mean it's going to fly in a straight line. However, it will show us intent from the bulls. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. Don't forget to trade responsibly and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.